Hello everyone, in this video we'll be sharing the top 10 basic Linux command that every user should know. So whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this is the video perfect for you. So the first command which I want to talk is about is ls. ls command stands for list and it is used to display the files and directories in the current working directory. Simply type ls in the terminal and you'll get list of all the files and directories in that location. And the second command is cd. cd stands for change directory and is used to navigate between different directories in Linux. For example, if you want to move to the document directory, just type cd documents in the terminal and you'll be taken there. And you can type cd space dot dot to go back to the parent directory. And the third command is mkdir. Mkdir stands for make directory and it is used to create new directories. Just specify the name of the directory you want to create, like mkdir new folder, and the Linux will create it for you. And the next one is cat. The cat command is used to display the content of a file. For instance, cat index.html will display the content of specified file on the terminal. And the next one is sudo. Sudo stands for super user do and it is used to execute commands with administrative privileges. It allows regular users to perform tasks that require elevated permissions. And the last command which I want to talk is about is clear. So clear command is used to clear the terminal. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.